Yo, I thought I would definitely not start this vlog. I wanted to start this vlog all day. I go at the bank, spend 3 hours at one of the bank, then spend a next hour at the next bank. They start up my online banking because I miss up 2 of my password them. So that means I could access my NCB or my JN without go straight to the ATM or to the bank, and that did mess me up. Finally get that done so I can do everything automated. I could wait till I can do that easily again, yo, cause John know. John know me feel so good. I get it done. I spend 3 hours at a phone talking to a customer care representative. Bro, I want to big you up. I know you're probably never going to see this vlog, but thank you so much. And thanks to the lady way. Lend me her phone. My heart like fire. Me in Kingston. I'm supposed to get some shirts done today. Delivered a few this morning. But you just want to start off the vlog. That I can't start it off. Even though I'm probably not vlog because I just not feel the vibes. And it's not nothing bad. I just feel tired these days. Like from I go came when I come back, I burn out. This man say I'm going to share from about 3 hours ago. Yo, my teacher friend.
Up top.
Up top, man. You don't know. The whole Razablade.
Razablade.
You see if your friends them not support you, you don't make no sense in the people. You say I sharp blade. Right now you must can get on 3 girls like that.
What you mean, man? I'll take it.
So I just get through like putting down some of my stuff and just packaging some of the shirts them real quick. I have about 4 people to deliver today. A quantity of 8 shirts in a Kingston. So if you never know, I actually deliver some of my shirts them to some of my fans them directly. You don't know it's Christmas time, so right now I have to just try my best to get them off as soon as possible because I don't want to wait down in January people just to get them shirts. Even though that look like it most likely to happen. We try to do with thing. And it go on so far. Big up to them people that we place them big orders. There are people who order 7, people one crew order 14. So thanks for the support because right now for the first set of shirts, it's all about the support to be honest. It's all about the support. You just appreciate so you have the brand. You can send a photo for me, make me upload it on my vlog scene when my Instagram scene. Because I post every single picture on my Instagram. I need to jump out of the house real quick. So I just do a rough check of the shirts. I actually get 33 orders so far. Honestly, yo, I did too hot. Before I touch you with my half a whole of be big. Say hello to them lovebirds. Them get silent now, I don't know why. Me and Angel did actually have some. We still should get them though, them cute. And I love birds. One enough for the day without the other. And this can probably keep her company when she wander home. Or when me wander home. So I'm so silent. Say something for the vlog, man. Alright, so I'm ready to go. Need to just fling on my shirt. I'm gone. Kingston is such a hot place, but I love it because the heat doesn't affect me and my sinus. So I package up a few shirts, you see me, a few people forget them, I have a few gorgeous looking bags. Most people shirt I get delivered to them, oh shoot, I need to change this because it kind of tear. So right now, I'm like a walking mailman. Man's best friend, best friend.
Where Google a go, where Pitbull a go, where Ratty a go, where Mongrel a go, where Station a go.
Yo, there so I do a shoot, is in my birthday shoot.
Yeah?
Me a cover it, you don't know.
Yo, you know, so Willow, you mean?
Yeah.
Yo, we do a birthday shoot, you know.
Yeah. Woo! Too hot. Yeah man, so for your birthday, big man at 26 still. Feel get out of that with.
You know, so people, I can't birthday. I'm not even today her birthday and she stress me. She want me to do this, she want me to do that, she want me. Yo, someone just call Ryan.
When can keep a party, man.
And that me as a brother.
Event planning, man.
I'm doing that January 9th, so.
It can look like that. No, that's why you the upon the bed so you can.
Man, you know for the a bad boy. Where hold up the stop sign? Oh, stop sign red. What is that? Peace. Go.
Oh, then I forgot to turn down dog in the vlog.
Yeah, brother, because the copyright, but I cut it up still.
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
I said long 15.
Yeah, 15.
I said chop it.
Chop it up, that good. Merry Christmas. So it looks like shambles out. Maybe you need to hold the whole thing.
Hell, you do the back, me do the front.
Okay. Merry Christmas! Let us take the time out to say Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Is it? Me not cater for nobody outside of the family, yo. I know I haven't been posting vlogs, but if you stay up to date with my social media, especially my Snapchat, you will know that I'm in the mode of getting out my merchandise. Yes, my first set of merchandise. First set of anything where have the name Razablade on it. The shirts them. I want to take time out to say thank you to everybody who has took the time out to purchase a shirt, and thanks to some people who gave me their feedback on what I should put on the shirts next. I am proud to say I started selling shirts last week Monday. Today is Tuesday, so it's 8 days. In 8 days, I sold off 47 shirts. At first, I was really doubtful. I was like, probably 110, probably 115. I never know what to expect. So big up to all of them people that will take them time out to support the thing. And even though I'm still getting orders every day. So, for those people who want shirts, you have to wait until January because I've been up and down all this Christmas. I haven't been spending any time with my girlfriend, my family. So I couldn't get my vlog. The shirts are priority and I should take the time out for priority. Those people who really want to show say them support Razablade TV. And as me say, send me all of the photos me need to post them on my Instagram. If me get 50 pictures, all 50 of them going on my Instagram. And send me them that me can upload them in my vlog to make people see how neat you look in the t-shirts. Trust me, you can tell some me made up and down. Normally every Christmas by the 25th me trim up already. But still,
Today I'm gonna be much better though.
yes.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully today will be much better. Because today, me and she are going to have dinner with my family. And New Year's Day, we're going to have dinner with your family, right?
Yeah.
Our first plan was to make sure all of our family came over to have dinner. But the way I'm up and down and busy, it just couldn't make out.
That not work out.
But anyway, Ian been up to a lot, been designing up the place. New curtains and all of that. Pillowcases and sheets. So we woke up nice and fresh. Yo, I want thing I love with this house. And it's not even just the house. I think it's us. Well, more you, but us. This house always fresh.
Oh,
yo, I can say this house is always fresh.
Jason, don't bother with that.
yeah.
Don't worry with that.
Hey, woman, look wild. Oh boy, I want to disappear and be a girl picking me up.
Yes, man.
See now, tell me say you twist my head.
Hello. Are you asking?
I can't pull up all the video on the TV, mommy. I hear just twist my head.
But she refuse.
She, if you say,
No.
no, you're not telling me no girl. Me tell her what the thing with the twist them now, mommy. I don't know girl thing. And then, me know if me look better than Max, but I don't know say, me a twist if you look like the girl. Max, alright. From here, you know what I'm going to say to you though? I tell myself say I want to catch this for the vlog when they say, but chase me if I turn the camera on you. I say, I know my mother going to say about that thing. Mine don't make me look like no gangster, you know.
No.
Mine just look like a little fashion.
Yeah.
I'm your entertainer, mommy, so it fit. So you know, say, thank you, big brother, for giving me cake.
Brother, but you didn't give me my cake.
Who gave you your cake?
Yanja, my sister.
So yeah, I said that me tell her to give you. Look at my innocent too.
I like. You
Why
put
is-
more room.
She put more room in there.
Yeah, go joke. Okay.
Look at my old room. In here is a lot more empty, but I like the sheets. Like when we could have waited till we come over. In here, so we are sleep tonight. Marks.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh my god! When strangers come to your yard, they get good treatment. Oh my god! Oh my god! What's that over there? Oh my god! When strangers come to your yard, hey, I can't come back where I can live. And when you reach this stage, you have to go start eating dinner with family. Mind you. Yo, my Max here get too much, you know.
I'm more in our kitchen, man.
Oh, cause yo, me the whole
No problem, man.
me forget whole leave. Yeah, dog. Dog, oh your ear looks like that.
No, you pull up the ears.
But mine want to fix up right now, but mine look better than for your daddy.
The Maxi one pull out.
Pull up the ears.
I saw for me I go look at the pull out. Come sit down now, youth.
Put some in your ears, lover?
Yeah.
So me I was banning to put none of my plate left. Why me have to stay till last?
Because you use 3.
You know, you move me a customer I said to me look I say, yo, anyone and that and them talk to the boy with a look so. Or tattoo. I know, should I discourage them for you? Put more vegetable on my plate, babe. And a little bit of vegetable, you know what I mean? Put in the vegetable. You think of skims? Where skims vegetable here? Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
You think there a little bit left in
You feel like a skims, man. Yeah, when you come over here, just come feed it whole heap and just cha-cha-cha.
That's why Maxi come and give me because when I'm gone.
Where do you eat? Where we get it for?
Alright, no.
Oh, Jody, my next sister, Mr. People. Jody, me I eat for me and you know where yourself I got. Me know this girl that pinch and put vegetable. Put crepe in my food. We eat like so we never go come back. We eating fish and chicken. We just find out. Mommy, you know your cake? Yeah. Oh, I think see I mean with the cake. Christmas is a time when you take the time out and spend it with your family. Follow Raza, spend time with your family. More together than this for 2018. Yeah, you know, come go. So tell me something. All of them dolly here, are you heard dolly?
No, that's
But
all
you
of
have
them.
I won't eat this too.
But some of them are for dinner now.
Could you man? Dolly they just asleep. Jeez. No sir.
Oh, much. Look for this, so.
Christmas start being hurt.
Look at them. Organize them back now.
I didn't even name him yet. That's why a basilisk wife. That's what I'm gonna call him. Splash Claw. Cool name. He ran over.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So we live over Angel's mom's house right now. As we come there, she did have to leave, so we never really stay long. Over here is gonna be lit soon. Well, like next few months. Everything's supposed to go over here, so yo, it got sick.
Whatever KFC and bank, ATM and good.
Yeah, it got sick. Yo, me lay me afraid. I'm for come in a place and I come kick some ball, man. Dog, me no care, no shoes, dog. I lick where me I tell Speed say, yo, me don't want to play some ball. I'm look me see man I call out in him. Ball of them out. Out. I forget to the people black, dog. Christmas is so Christmassy. Dog. You don't know. Alright, so right now I'm in my brother's room. I finish up some editing to post this vlog. Hopefully post tonight because this internet kind of weak. This vlog will end kind of emotional for me because I try to call my father from morning. Now I get him phone. I know what I feel in the way I spend Christmas alone. When I get to visit him this Christmas. Mommy have 4 kids. Most of we always round her. Well, nobody know there my father today. I feel a way about that. I feel like I'm going to get some ice cream to try to cheer me up. I never did want to do anything to post this tonight, but the work never stopped. I have to post some long time I don't post. Then after I get this uploaded, I go back and spend some time with my family. Spend some time with mommy, especially before she goes sleep. And actually take some time for myself. I'm going to try to see if I can go back to daily vlogging, but if you don't say daily vlogs, just know I try rest to come back in a 2019 hard. Again, I say Merry Christmas to all of you, Happy New Year when it comes. That if I don't post a vlog, you know, I tell you Happy New Year when it comes. But as I'm saying, try to spend Christmas with your family. Even though you have some friend who treat you better than family, I don't care what you want to say, you must have some good family. Spend it with loved ones then, if that's what the case might be. I mean, I don't know if you say so.